Beef fry is a popular meat dish in Kerala and goes well with rice. Today, we are going to prepare Kerala style beef fry. This can be made with any kind of meat you prefer. You will only have to vary the cooking time accordingly. Let's see the ingredients for beef fry. Beef 1 kg, coconut oil 100 ml, coconut pieces half cup, onion 2 thinly sliced, green chilli 5, ginger 1 tablespoon, garlic 1 tablespoon, chilli powder 2 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, garam masala 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, curry leaves 2 stalks, and salt 1 tablespoon. First step is to cook the meat. In order to speed up the process, I am using a pressure cooker. So add salt to meat and pressure cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Here I am using an Indian style pressure cooker, but if you have a digital cooker, you can pressure cook the meat in about 8 minutes. Next step is to heat the oil in a pan and fry the chopped coconut pieces. You can see the coconut pieces are fried really well. So now I'm going to add onion, green chilli, ginger and garlic and saute the onions till it turns transparent. Onions looks transparent now, so I'm going to add all the spices. So now add chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and garam masala and lightly roast. The spices mix really well with onion, ginger and garlic. Now add the cooked meat and fry well. There's a bit of water oozed out from the beef, so I'm going to cook over high flame with the lid open till the water evaporates. Okay, there is not much water left, so the beef looks really nice and it's not much gravy there. So I'm going to add the curry leaves and I'm going to fry it well and slowly over low flame. Beef is done, it looks really good and delicious. I'm going to transfer this to the serving dish. And the last step is, it's an optional. If you like, you can sprinkle black pepper powder. Thank you for watching My name is Sebastian and you're watching 360 TV.